Man, first of all, like, comment, and share this video, bro, to some people you might know that's trying to do this shit. You know what I'm saying? Even if you do it and you ain't got the time to tell them, send them my way, man. Like, comment, and subscribe to this SFN Idol, man. It's only gonna get bigger. This just the beginning, you feel me? So basically, I'm gonna get straight to it. I ain't even gonna play around with y'all, man. If you wanna do anything, bro, you just gotta get started. No matter if it's the car business or something else, whatever goal you got, whatever you got, you trying to do, you just gotta get started, bro. Cause like me, my first deal, I just got started. You know what I'm saying? It might not make sense. It ain't gonna be the perfect deal. It might not be cheap. It might not be all this shit that everybody talking about. But you just gotta get started, bro. Cause that's your fear fucking you up. Like, get rid of your fear, get started. So basically, man, I'm gonna get into it like this right here. So look, this shit easy, but like with the auctions, you gotta pay a lot of fees and shit. So when it comes to Copart and all the other auctions and shit, you gotta pay a lot of auction fees with the car. So I rather kind of get it from straight from like word to mouth type of shit, straight from the streets. Cause like that's where people messing up at. People see all these people say they make a lot of money off the auctions and all this, but they forgetting about the door-to-door type of deals. You know what I'm saying? So I'll start with my neighborhood first. Second, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, stuff like that, find something cheap. If somebody's selling something for $500, they willing to sell it for $300 or $400. They really to knock a couple $100 off. If somebody's selling it for $1,000, you depending on the mood or the emotions that they going through or whatever, you might can get it for $500 if they selling it for $1,000. Because when people sell stuff, a good tip, when people sell stuff, they ain't selling it for no reason. They trying to pay a bill, they trying to get another car, it's a problem, they trying to get rid of the problem. And they selling you the problem, and that's what you get paid to do. Buy a problem, fix it, and resell it, and make it better for the next person you selling it to. So that's what you get paid to do. So a tip, like if I'm buying from Copart, my strategy is way different from everybody else. I'm gonna buy the worst car with the worst frame damage, whatever. Cause I'm looking for, like, I can fix it kind of myself, and I'm looking for a cheap deal that I can put together. I might buy a car that's damaged worse off Copart just for the engine and transmission, and sell the rest of the parts to make a little profit. And then I might buy a car off Marketplace that's the same type of car that I bought from Copart that need an engine and transmission, but I got it for an extremely cheap price. And I got both of them for an extremely cheap price. But with the auctions, it come with a lot of fees. It come with the travel fees. If you buying in fucking California and you in Arizona, it's a transporter gonna charge you to bring it from California to Arizona. If you buying in Texas and you in Memphis, somebody gonna charge you a fee to bring it from Texas to Memphis or whatever. And that, in the beginning, shit, I just start around my neighborhood, like I was saying in the beginning. But after you bought it and you fixed it up, so what I do is I get a good detail on it and make sure the lights clear in it. Don't give no signs of like wear and tear. You want somebody to look at it like, ooh, I really like this vehicle or whatever that I want. You want to make it comfortable for them. Depends on old, new, whatever. I clean the lights or whatever. The lens is on the front of the lights. I put some new ones in there if I have to, if it's real dull. But if it's not real dull, I'll probably get the little headlight kit or whatever and make it clearer for them. Make sure, you got cool stuff on it. Maybe some fog lights, some HID lights, whatever. A nice radio, whatever. And make sure it's not leaking. Make sure it's not running hot. Make sure you took care of a lot of stuff. Try to keep it real as possible with them. If they ask where you got it from, tell them you got it from the auction. You fixed it up. Because it's a lot of lying ass people out here. And like, that's where fuck up the business. Like, you gotta keep it 100, and then you will get returning customers, cause you kept it real with them. Okay, man, it's a lot of different ways you can make money and make profit in this shit. You can sell a car that you bought from anywhere, but some people buy them from Facebook for $1,000, turn back around, wash them real good, do a little something to it, change the wheels, put it back on Facebook for $2,500. Some people buy cars for $500, relist it for $1,400. But the problem with that, if you bought a bullshit car, you're gonna get so many fucking phone calls about what's going wrong with it, and people want their money back and shit like that. But when you sell something that you pretty confident that it run good and everything going right, you're gonna get returning customers. So okay, man, let me know what y'all think about my thoughts on the situation. But this is only the beginning. I'm gonna drop a lot of more videos, man. But until then, man, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. And I'll see y'all on the next one, for sure.
Started from the bottom, started in the jungle, made it out the shit, a nigga still kept it 100.